everyone. Thanks so much for joining me today. This is Real Leather Certified Career Coach. Our topic today is how do I become a manager? Well, in the world of career coaching, I frequently find myself faced with the task of reviewing resumes tailored for managerial positions. But it's not always easy when I have to convey to the aspiring professional that they lack the necessary experience to qualify for the roles. And this often leads to the common question, well, how can I get the experience I need to become a manager? Well, you must first identify the skills necessary. And the process of identifying previous leadership experience begins with a thorough self assessment of your career. You may not have had management experience or managed a team, but have you ever taken the lead on a project? Maybe spearheaded a collaboration with another team, initiated activities, set goals, or shaped the direction of your current team's efforts? If you find yourself unable to answer yes to these questions, well, it may be time to focus on gaining experience as a leader before pursuing a management role. You don't necessarily have to become a manager to gain valuable management experience. It's all about developing your leadership skills, which essentially revolve around having the ability to influence others. To begin your journey, look for leadership opportunities within your current role. Identify areas where you can take the lead and spearhead projects. And if such opportunities are scarce in your current environment, don't be afraid to get creative and maybe even start your own opportunities. Create your own projects, create your own programs, and share with your team. Waiting for opportunities to come your way is too passive of an approach. Instead, actively seek them out. If you can't find leadership opportunities where you currently work, consider volunteering with external organizations, but do so thoughtfully. Choose volunteer positions that not only benefit you, but also contribute positively to the organization that you serve. It should be a two-way street. Before reaching out to external organizations, make a clear plan of the skills you want to develop. Effective managers excel in communication, organization, program management, analysis, time management, and of course, people skills. If you have a specific management role in mind, use it as a guide to select the skills that you want to develop. The job description can serve as your roadmap to your desired career destination. Gaining some initial leadership skills is just the beginning, but keep in mind that fully developing your management skills is a gradual process that requires patience. Once you've built a strong foundation of experience, it'll be time to explore opportunities outside of your current environment. The goal is to showcase your newly acquired talents and demonstrate your potential. Actively seek out opportunities to contribute, and over time, you'll gain recognition as someone ready for leadership roles. And always remember that leadership is the key to achieving management positions. Rising leaders will naturally find their path. So spend your time focusing on your leadership journey and feel confident future management positions will follow.